There's always sky. Rest your head, I'll take you high. We won't fade into darkness. Won't let you fade into darkness. Why worry now? You'll be safe. Hold my hand, just in case. And we won't fade into darkness. Fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness. Fade into This world can seem cold and gray, but you and I are here today. And we won't fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness. Nothing to fear, but fear itself. We'll be okay, just keep it faith. And we won't fade into darkness. Fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread was down below. I'm sorry this video was late, but if you can kind of tell by my voice, I got sick, and then at my new job I actually had to talk a lot to a lot of people, and so I have lost my voice. Kind of. Yesterday was really bad. I sounded like a boy going through puberty, but it's a little bit better today. So that's why this video is late. I'm sorry about that. But I still hope you guys enjoyed it. I love the colors for this kit. The stickers are from Sticky Essentials. The only complaint that I had is that it was really hard for me to get the glitter hairs off. But other than that, I really love the colors. I love the layout of the clip art and everything. Oh, I forgot to put a flag. Hold on a second. These are things that happen. But yeah, you can kind of tell with this sheet. It took me a while to take off the glitter hairs, but let's just put that down right now. And there we go. So now the spread is complete. But regardless, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And thank you to Florlash and Jerry for commenting in my last video. I really appreciate it. And if you guys want to get a shout out in my next video, don't forget to comment down below. It's my favorite part about being a YouTuber. Reading your comments, it always makes me so happy. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week we will be using this Italian brunch kit from the Glam Planner. This was one of her newer mystery kits, and I'm obsessed with this clip art. And I love that the colors for this week are a bit different from this week that I'm doing right now. And so if you're interested in seeing why I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. And I just want to let you guys know that there's a lot more content coming on this channel, just to give you guys a sneak peek of what's to come on this channel. I'm so excited to start doing that series. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in seeing some more videos like that. And until next time, this is Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!